Hare Krishna. So today, 23rd November 2020, and our Nityam Bhagavad Sevaya is going on by the blessings of Srila Prabhupada and by the cooperation of many Vaishnavas around. Today, we'll have text 43 onwards of chapter 13, canto 3rd of Srimad Bhagavatam. In title of the chapter is The Appearance of Lord Varaha. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jaya Mudirayet Nashuprayeshu Bhadreshu Nityam Bhagavata Sevaya. Bhagavati Uttama Shloke Bhaktir Bhavati Nashtuki Kaha Sraddhadhitanyatamastava Prabhu Rasham Gatayam Bhuva Udvivarhanam Na Vismayo Asho Tvai Vishwavishmaye Yo Maya Edam Sisrajjeti Vishmayam. Kaha, who else? Sraddhadhita can endeavor anyat maha, anyone beside yourself. Tava, your, Prabhu, O Lord. Rasam, in the water. Gatayaha, while laying in bhuvaha, of the earth. Udbi brahananam, deliverance, no, never. Vimsayaha, wonderful. Also, such an act. Tvai, unto you. Vishwa, universal. Vishmayi, full of wonders. Yaha, one who. Mayaya, by potency. Idam, this. Sasraje, created. Ativismayam, surpassing all wonders. Translation and purport by His Divine Grace Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada Maharaj ki jai. Who else but you, the Supreme Person of Godhead, could deliver the earth from within the water? It is not very wonderful for you, however, because you acted most wonderfully in the creation of the universe. By your energy, you have created this wonderful cosmic manifestation. Namo Vishnupadaya, Krishna Vishtaya Utale Srimati Jipataka Swaminiti Namani Namacharya Padaya, Nita Kripa Pradhane Gaurgadata Madaya Nagaragram Tane Namo Vishnupadaya, Krishna Vishtaya Utale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swaminiti Namane Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharani Nirvisheshwanyavadi Pashyat Desatarane Sri Chaitanya Mano Vishnamasthapitamena Bhutale Swayam Rupakadamayam Dadati Supadantikam Bande Aham Sri Guru Shadapatakamalam Sri Gurun Vaishnavam Cha Sri Rupam Sagrajatam Sagana Raghunathan Vidantam Sajivam Sadhvetam Savadutam Parijana Saitam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Sri Radha Krishna Padan Sahagana Lalita Sri Vishakhan Vitam Cha He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopes Gopika Kanto Radha Kanta Namastute Taptikajana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishabhanushude Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vangsha Kalpataru Veshkripa Sindhuve Vacha Patitha Nama Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Nama Jai Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhara Sri Vasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare. Kaha sraddhadhitanyatamastava prabho rasam gataya bhuva budvivarhanam na vishmayo asho tvai vishmaye yo maya edam sisrajeti vishmayam. So the glorification, or rather running commentary by the sages going on. The Marichi is there, Brahma is there, and Maitreya Muni is telecasting this to Vidura, and in turn, Sukadeva Goswami is narrating this to Maharaja Parikshit, and in turn, Suta Goswami is narrating to the sage Saunuka. And in this context, Prabhupada is revealing everything to us. So this is called disciplic succession. From Guru to the disciple. And what kind of disciple? He who does not alter anything. Themes should not change. Only explanation might change, but not the theme. So, they are saying, after seeing the Lord lifting the earth, on this beautiful two tusk, the white one, he is saying, who else but you? They knew that nobody had that capability, or the power, or the resources. Because you are the supreme person of Godhead. This is what is reminded by Srila Prabhupada. Could deliver the earth from within the water. It's only you. No one else could have done it. And then they are saying, it is not very wonderful for you. Well, let us say, if some child sings very nicely, you may appreciate it, right? Oh, what a good singing. But the child may not know. It's natural for him. Or let us say, your children come home, scoring top in the class. You will feel elated. You will feel very happy. But no child. It's all right. So they are saying, my dear Lord, is not very wonderful for you because you are doing this kind of acts from time immemorial, in different millennium, in different contexts. For you, it's just a play. However, because you acted most wonderfully in the creation of the universe, they know. Krishna, Vishwa Utpatyadi Hitave. Vishwa, plural. Many universes he is creating, maintaining, and annihilating. So he says, you acted most wonderfully in the creation of universe. By your energy, you have created this wonderful cosmic manifestation. Now here they are saying, not only the earth, even the water that you have taken the earth from, that's also your energy. The sky that we see is your energy. The light we see is your energy. Everything that be seen and unseen, visual and unvisual, is your energy. So they are saying, because it's a wonderful cosmic manifestation. So that is qualification of the Lord. Everything comes from Him. Again here, good and bad. Good also does not affect Him, and so does the bad. Doesn't affect Him. He is aloof. Padma patra emam vasa. Like the water does not stay on the lotus leaf. It is just floating here and there. So you may say, the water is on the leaf, but at the same time, water is not on the leaf. Achinta, Bheda, Aveda, Tattva. So they are mesmerized really. As the mundane example I can give, if any loving person you love and they come in front of you, I don't know what you'll do. Mesmerized. Like someone children had gone to school and he has not come in time. And when he comes, what a relief. What a relief. So by seeing the Lord, what a relief for everybody. And that's what Krishna says, that yada yadai adharmasya. Whenever there is adharma, tadatmanam srijameham. Then I come. Because God can only set everything right. We may try our best. We can influence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 20,000, 20,000, but not everybody. We can influence the human beings, but not the demigods, not the rishis, not the sadhus, not santas, not the animals, beasts, insects, reptiles, birds, etc. Aquatic, we cannot. But Krishna can. Just merely thinking, he can do that. So let us relish the purport of Srila Prabhupada. When a scientist discovers something impressive to the ignorant mass of the people, the common man, without inquiry, accepts such a discovery as wonderful. But that we should adore the scientific community also, because they never say that we have done it. They say we have researched. Search, research. So we are very thankful of them that they are not taking the credit. They are simply saying, I have researched. It was lost. It was not known. I made it public. So it's called research. So Prabhupada is saying that the common man will simply think, what a wonderful discovery. This has been happening in the past. They'll keep happening. Even so many wonders, even the age of Kali, so many wonders happen, and we call it miracle. Anything that we cannot explain is called miracle. And these miracles are happening every now and then. I think they were in Tehran, I think there was an earthquake a few years before. And after 12 days, they found a 90 years old lady in the debris. And she was alive. She was alive. Debris, I don't know, so many feet down. She lived. Or in some cases, even the young, we call it lives, they were lost because of some hit here and there. So miracles are happening every now and then. And there is another miracle. You may not agree with me. That Prabhupada appeared on the surface of the earth. He walked around. He taught. This was a miracle. Today you may not agree with me. When years to come, you'll find it as a miracle. Such a small span of time, how he could translate so many things, written so many letters, educate the people, is miracle. I am speaking on Bhagavatam because he created that miracle. So miracles keep happening. So, but for ordinary people, the discoveries are wonderful. Nowadays, you know what? I'm giving not a very good example. You know, people get so much of disturb if they lose their telephone or mobile. So much. But, well, so many things I have to say, forget about it. So, we have attached ourselves to very insignificant thing. Some of you may have seen the life when these mobiles were not there. We were living, right? Wasn't it a problem? No, no problem. But now, if you have no mobile, then there's a problem. Attachment. Previously, people were using things and loving people. Using things and loving people. But now, we use people and love things. And what a wonderful discovery. But what happened, you know, previously, the small children, they used to suck thumb. Now they don't suck the thumb. You know the reason why? Because they have a mobile and both the thumbs are used on the keypad to see the cartoon. So no more sucking of the thumbs. This is a discovery. And we say, wonderful discovery. We may not be talking to our spouse, a wife and child, things like that, though we may have 5,000 friends. And even in the middle of night, let us say you have to go to attend the natural call, and you get up maybe 1 or 2 o'clock, you go relieve yourself, come back. The first thing you'll do is look at your mobile. Or early morning, before doing anything, let me see any messages. So this has happened that we think is most wonderful. But it's not that wonderful. Wonderful, anything is a Krishna. Nothing more than that. Prabhupada further says, he gives all credit to the persons who created the wonderful brain of the scientist. Nobody says, Krishna has given. Buddhir vadimatam asmi tejah tejasnamam. No, I've done it. I've done it. One day Prabhupada was criticizing the scientist. And then he was speaking over the mic. And he was saying, they have done this, they have done that, they have done this. And when he had the mic in his hand, he said, Bas, we must thank the person who invented the mic, because at least I can broadcast my message. So if the scientific advancement is used in the service of Krishna, all glory is unto them. Isn't it? Of course. After how did they get it? Krishna had given them that mati. Now we should have also the mati. Any invention, anything that we have, if you not utilize in the service of Krishna, then we become bhokta, and then we'll have the consequences. So let us save ourselves. All that we have, everything that we have, let's use in the service of Krishna. That's what the life is meant for. Furthermore, Prabhupada says, a common man is also struck with wonder by the wonderful action of the material nature. I don't know how, you must have seen the rainbow, right? Many of may have seen the rainbow.
Everyone.
But have you ever seen the 7 or 8 rainbow together?
Yes, everyone.
No, they must have seen the rainbow, one rainbow. But 7 or 8 rainbow together? I have seen.
Color is
7 or 8, no, 7, 8 different rainbows.
in rainy
Isn't it very wonderful?
rainy season, everyone's.
So, this the material nature also gives the wonderful things. And he gives all credit to the cosmic manifestation. You know, if you go to, let us say, Uttarkasi or Gangotri, you bathe in the Ganges water, it's very cold. Now the Ganga is flowing from top to the bottom. If you come to Haridwar, it is also as cold as it should be. Without any freezer, without anything, same coldness. Is it a wonderful thing? You go to then Varanasi and you go to Allahabad, or then you go to Mayapur. You take bath in Jilangiri and Ganga, still very cold. How is it possible? After traveling maybe 3,000, 4,000 kilometers, water is still cold. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is. Because that's the energy of Krishna. Prabhupada says, the learned Krishna conscious person, however, knows well that behind the cosmic manifestation is the brain of Krishna. As confirmed in Bhagavad Gita 9.10, Maya dhekshena prakriti suyete sacharacharam. In Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says, Loke asmin duvidha nishta puro prokto maya nagha jnana yogena sankhyanam karma yogena yoginam. Lokesmin Duvida Nishta. I can be known by two ways. By Karma Yoga in Krishna consciousness, or by Jnana Yoga, by reading the Shastras. Only two things. Then the devotees, they know. There are many things. There are many things. Even for biggest thing, we don't get disturbed. And for a smallest thing, we lament months together. Amazing, isn't it? This is not a miracle? Yes, it is. Maya dakshane prakriti suyate saracharam. Since Krishna can direct the wonderful cosmic manifestation, it is not at all wonderful for him to assume a gigantic form of a boar. Today, I was talking to one very old friend of mine, and he's saying, "Yaar, Saraband, is closed? The door is closed. See, this closed. Just a minute, sir.
No, close.
Close?
Yes.
Okay.
You,
No. He's saying, in your religion, the problem, man.
without hesitating.
You have many gods. You have many gods. That's the problem. Look at us, we have one God. I told him, but can you answer me one question? Are my gods troubling you? Is any of my God is troubling you? He said, no. I said, then what is your problem? You have one, I have many. Your God is not troubling me, and my many gods are not troubling you. So what is the discussion about? He said, no, I'm just saying. I said, but what's the point? You may have one, I may have many. You live your life, let me live my life. The people, they don't understand. Then I told him, okay, just tell me frankly. The sun you see, is it a Muslim sun? Or Christian? Or Hindu sun? He said, no, sir, you cannot quantify this. I said, okay, let's quantify the color. Green is yours, white is ours, or things like that. For no reason, right? But what to do? Nobody understands what is the energy behind. And of course, everybody will say whatever they know. So, the devotee knows since Krishna can direct the wonderful cosmic manifestation, it is not at all wonderful for him to assume any gigantic form. If he is Sarva Karana Karana, if he is the source of everything, what is impossible? Nothing is impossible. Let us say there is a rich man, very rich man. What is impossible for him to distribute millions of dollars to the needy people? What is wonderful? To them is wonderful, for me is not wonderful. He just thought one day, okay, let me distribute my wealth. So they are again saying, for Krishna is not a wonderful. The Krishna, who has given the Vedas in the heart of Brahma, he is requesting his mother and father, Vasudeva and Devaki, please, I want to go to the Gurukula. Let me learn something. And he's go to Sandipan Muni and he laughs at it. Sandipan Muni, what are you talking? He said, no, we are very serious. He said, okay, if you're serious, fine, let me do it. So what is impossible for the Lord? But the people put a question mark. Why? As if Krishna has to ask them. He has to take the permission. Why? Wrong notion, right? Furthermore, Prabhupada is saying, thus deliver the earth from the mire of the water. A devotee is therefore not astonished to see the wonderful boar because he knows that the Lord is able to act far more wonderfully by his potency, which are unconceivable to the brain of even to the most erudite scientist. Sometime when the result comes, the parents feel very happy and they they hug their children, they appreciate. But nobody appreciates Krishna. That is afterwards. When everything is settled down, okay, Krishna, thank you very much. Not first thing, oh, 98% Krishna. No, my dear neighbor son, you are wonderful. Krishna is always secondary for us, for all good reason. There is a very nice ad came that you pay just 4 lakhs rupees now. Pay only 4 lakhs now. Book your flat in Bangalore. And at the time of occupancy, you have to pay only 48 lakhs. I wrote back to them. I said, yes, sir, I'm very much interested. But could you tell me what guarantee you will give me that my 4 lakhs are saved with you? Well, you don't believe us? I said, no. I don't believe. I only believe my money. The money in my pocket is my money. That's all I believe. If I give it to you, what is the guarantee? Well, what is the guarantee? We'll give you the flat. I said, I know you'll give the flat. Of course you'll give the flat. But in Delhi, there are 75,000 people. They are running after these builders for the last many, many years. Full money paid. 50, 60 lakhs paid. No possession. Now what to do? Isn't it? People get fooled and they pay the price. How could you believe? Just one ad comes and you pay your hard-earned money. Is also wonderful, right? Wonderful that they can cheat you. They can take you for a ride. Now Krishna what says? Brahmayan sarva bhutani. He puts us in the Brahma. Now, if our needs are less, then no Brahma. But if my greed is more, then of course there will be money. The whole point over here is, they are saying, my dear Krishna, let me read the translation once again. Who else but you, the Supreme Person of Godhead, could deliver the earth from within the water? It is not very wonderful for you. However, because you acted most wonderfully in the creation of the universe, by your energy, you have created this wonderful cosmic manifestation. Another thing, I tell you something very nice. Let us say, your children, they dance. Okay? Now, they may do the practice in front of you, day in and day out. You don't appreciate much, right? But if the same girl and boy, they go in school function, they go on any dais and performed, you'll be the first man to clap or first person to clap for the achievement. You know what? We believe in show, not reality. One day there was a person, he used to mimicry a lot of animals. And he came on the dais, hundreds of people are there. He started barking, wow, 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 wow. When he was barking, people are clapping, clapping, clapping. And by hearing his barking, 2-3 dogs also came on the stage. Now, their dog also responded by barking, but everybody chased them out. We don't believe in originality. We believe in fake. Our ideas are fake. We believe on the things which are no reality. We appreciate. We like. We adore people. Even they are telling the blunt lies, we adore. Very nice to meet you. So here, wonderful is only Krishna. Appreciate only Krishna. Don't try to appreciate, Prabhu, your class was very nice. Nothing like that. Simply thank them, okay. You have invested time with you. That's it. If you appreciate any time, make sure you only appreciate Krishna. And if you want to blame anybody, any reason, blame your own self. Don't blame third person. So we learn from the sages that they are describing adoring, enjoying, loving to describe about Krishna. That is the gist of today's class. Hare Krishna. Thank you very much.